Hello friends, welcome to my channel Archie Chaudhary. How are you all doing? I hope you all are doing fine and taking good care of yourselves. I'm just at home. I just dropped the kiddos, came home, and I was sitting. I said, okay, let me start my YouTube channel and talk to you all for 2 minutes. I had a chance to go to Costco and I was thinking what and all can we buy from Costco, and there were good deals in Costco today. So let's go there and see what I found. If you guys want to buy anything, there were great deals today. So I randomly went off into Costco just to do some time pass, and I wanted to check out something and I found good deals. Here are the rugs which are of different colors and they are very good for your kitchen and all if you like it. And if anybody needs rug, they were on good deal also. I really liked it, but I didn't want any rugs for now, so I just went and it was good. So these are the colors, these are the patterns which I saw, and it says 13 to 45 inches, so it was as accent rug. And over here I found some nice pillows and all which are very useful for Thanksgiving and all, and they were on deal like for 11.99 and all. And these are the good throws and all, because now winter is going to start. Fall has already started and it was only for 12.99. So I found this also to be a very good deal. Over here I saw comforters which were for 39.99 and they were queen size. No, king size actually. Oh no, it is queen. So yeah, sorry, I was confused. These are the king size which are for 79.99. I found this also to be a very good deal if somebody needs the new comforters and all. This is the time to buy. And here are rugs, very big rugs for your living room. They were for 199.99, so almost like 200. But I feel they are on sale too, and they have a good price on it too. So here I saw some nice stoppables which you can use it in your washing machine to give your clothes a new and a nice fresh smell. And over here there were some brushes which were on sale too. I love this actually for baking and keeping all your stuff and all, and see-through boxes. You can store a lot in this, so I really liked it, and I found this very good. And it had a good sealing, it had a nice opening. See over here I'm trying to open, but with one hand I could not record and hold the stuff also. I really liked it. If you have any rice or sugar and all, you can store it, and it gives a nice click also. So I really found this has to be in anybody's kitchen. So I love these also, and I found these were on great deal actually. They were 6 and really nice. And here are the 2 tumblers which will keep your stuff warm for 14 to 15 hours. I really like this. Then I love the cereal boxes also. You can store in this also anything, and they were on a great deal again for 15.99. Loved this also. And these are the cereal boxes, 2 of them. I could not open it because I was holding my camera and I was recording. So I found this also to be very useful. These are nice vessels. I had seen it in my friend's place. She said that she loves it, and it's a good cookware set. There are 13 pieces in it, and it has a nice heat resistance at the bottom. It can go on gas or stove, and stove tops and coiled ranges also. So I really liked it, and it has a good pouring consistency also if you need to pour out for pasta and all. I found this to be the greatest deal too. It was for 199 again. This was meal prep set. Yeah, these are nice glass containers which have a nice rubber holding also, and it will not break. You can just, I love this also. It's a good container. You can chop vegetables and they stay fresh for 1 or 2 days, and you can just chop them in the night and cook next day morning. My friend has this and I just went and checked out. I really liked it. Nice colors also it had, see all the colors, so it's a good deal actually. Then this Pyrex bowls I just randomly took, and these are the iron pans. I already have one iron large one which I had bought from Walmart, so I'm using this. This is a good deal which said for 2 of them for $29. Yeah, $30. It's good one. I love this 6 bowls which are good for Thanksgiving. They had nice wordings written on it: happy, love, calm, joy, peace, grateful. These are really good for Thanksgiving, and if I go next time I'll surely buy. And they had good jackets today for men and women. The jackets were only for $30 and they were good ones. This is the Tommy Hi-Fi one. So really liked it, and Costco were the first thing, though winter is not here, but these jackets really looked very good. I already have one, but I didn't buy it from Costco, so I had bought it from Old Navy or something like that. So these are good ones which I found for this year. So whoever needs a good jacket, Costco is the best place to get, and they had it in all sizes: small, large, medium, everything. And these are again some jackets for men. They had it in large, extra large, medium, and they were only for $16. They were $4 off, so I really found good deals in Costco today. So, but I didn't buy anything. I just went for a nice walk, and over here I'm driving and going out. Get my daughter to pick up from the station. These are some buildings and offices. It's like a downtown kind, and over here it's a Marriott hotel where people can just stay if they don't have a place to stay. It's a nice place. So here I'm at Lincoln Station parking, and that is the trains and all where the children catch all the buses and all. So people go and catch trains and light rails. That's the place. So inside there's a covered parking also where you can park your car, but there was some parking over here which I just parked my car over. There's a clock also over there on the building which says 5 o'clock, and now it's 5 o'clock evening. And these are the buildings for the Shia homes. Nice apartments, but these apartments are very expensive because everything is so nearby. But I love this apartment. One of my friends stays here. So here the train has come, and it'll make a halt over here, and everybody who and all wants to get down in the station will get down over here. So it's nice. I don't know whether my daughter is in this one or the other one. No, she's not on this one. So my son is sitting at the back of the seats. Actually that's the third row because this is a 7-seater car. So my son wants to surprise my daughter saying that he didn't come, but he's here, and they both will have a blast saying that, oh, I was there and you didn't see me. So one more train has come. I don't know if my daughter is here or no. Still waiting for her. I think I'm little early, and I said okay, if I go early I can just go and see the scenery and record a little bit more of the nature. And today it is little very hot actually, but it's little cloudy also, and when it is cloudy it is becoming very good. My daughter is walking, if you can see. She'll not like it that I'm recording, but here she comes. She's coming from the sidewalk. Here's my daughter. She's already in here. And she's asking me, what am I doing? I'm recording. Did you have a good day?
Yeah.
What did you eat?
I didn't eat anything.
They didn't go to a restaurant?
No.
Why?
Because no one had time.
Boom! See, this is how my son scared her and my daughter got scared. This was really very good, but I saw the reaction. But my kids don't like to come into my camera, so this is how my son said, bow! So now the clock says 5:10, so I waited over here for 10 minutes. And I like this clock. I'm remembering the Big Ben of London. So here we go, and we reach home now and do some dinner. जब जब जुल्फे तेरी उड़े जब जब जुल्फे तेरी but over here my zulfe is udding. It has become so windy that everything is just blowing away. Just look at the winds and the I think it's going to rain. It's going to rain very badly over here, which is very good. It was so hot, better if it rains. Just look at the weather. See, this wind is blowing so hard. Love the winds today. See, the aeroplane is also blowing. My son is telling this is an aeroplane. So he didn't know what is it called. I don't know what is it called. What is this called? He's saying aeroplane, so let's call this as an aeroplane. It was only for 99 cents in Walmart. This is the ice cream which is called mochi ice cream, but in India mochi means the person who makes shoes and all. So this is mochi ice cream and it's vanilla flavor. There are different flavors in it, but my son wanted to have vanilla and my daughter said vanilla is good too. So this is mochi ice cream. So this was it for today, and I'll come up with the next video very soon. Hope you all have a good day, and if you have not liked my channel yet, please like it, share, subscribe and comment, and I'll get back to you if you have any questions. And have a nice day. Sending you lots of love. Bye for today.